Introducing Tandemloc's latest innovation, the BA21A00-00A-PA, the ISO container inspection trunnion. When a customer approached us needing full 360-degree container inspections, our engineering team stepped up. The result? A custom-designed trunnion, built specifically for standard 20-foot ISO containers. When a container's full structural integrity needs a thorough inspection, safety is critical. The ISO container inspection trunnion eliminates the need for workers to climb on top or work underneath. Designed for versatility, it effortlessly rotates an empty container, or one weighing up to 25,000 pounds with ease and precision. The ISO container inspection trunnion is engineered for precision, connecting rigidly to the ISO corner fittings of a standard 20-foot container, accommodating its allowable manufacturing tolerances. It handles a transverse and vertical center of gravity offset of up to 4 inches and a longitudinal offset of 36 inches. The trunnion delivers full 360-degree rotation, with secure locking every 45 degrees for detailed inspections. Plus, with optional adapters, you can stage a second container, streamlining your workflow by preparing one while inspecting another. The ISO container inspection trunnion offers flexibility to suit your needs. Operate it manually with the turn wheel for hands-on control, or attach the optional bolt-on motor to replace the crank handle, delivering effortless, automated rotation with the same precision. Like all Tandemloc products, this one is no different. It is proof-tested to 125% of the working load. If you want more information about these products, you can visit our website at tandemloc.com. You can also reach us by emailing info@tandemloc.com or call in 1-800-258-7324.